Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our lower skid shield. Now for this, it's going to be easiest if you safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so you can gain access to it. If you were to look down along each of the sides, you're going to find several mounting bolts. To remove each of them, you're going to have to use a T25 Torx bit. That's going to look just like this. It looks like a star. Should be one there. Now I'll do the same on the other side. Keep in mind, once you remove all of your mounting bolts along the sides, there's going to be nothing holding this into the vehicle. Carefully grab that shield, pull it down, and slide it away from the front bumper. There it is, friends. Okay, now it's time to install our brand new lower shield. Now, if you were to look at the front aspect of it, you're going to see that you have a whole bunch of these areas. As you look closer at them, you can see that the smaller ones have angles that go like this, protruding towards me, and then the larger ones protrude away. Also, looking at the larger ones, you might happen to see that they have these little nubs that need to fit into their corresponding holes. Now what we want to do is just start from one corner. We're going to start the ones with the nubs facing towards me along the bottom, the ones facing away up along the top. We'll just make our way all the way across. Now we can start in all of our mounting bolts for both sides. Now I'll do the same on the other side, and then we can snug them up. Once you're done that, go ahead and snug them all up. Okay friends, we got the car back together. What's left to do now? Now of course you're going to want to make sure you take it for a nice road test and listen for any funny noises. Thanks for watching.